Did you ever change something on a website or landing page, but your computer kept showing the old one? That can be really annoying. It's a common problem for anyone who uses the internet, especially web developers or even just normal users. Your browser is trying to be helpful by saving files locally, speeding things up for you. But sometimes, that helpful feature becomes a huge headache. First, let's quickly understand the browser cache. Think of it as your computer's temporary memory. It takes copies of things like images and code, and tucks them away so it doesn't have to download them every single time. Okay, so you're on a website, you hit the standard refresh button or F5. What happens? Your browser checks with the server to see if any of the cached files have changed. If the server says, nope, still the same, your browser happily uses its cached versions. This is usually fine for most users, most of the time. But what if the server has changed, and your browser is being stubborn? This is where the hard reload comes in. A hard reload tells your browser, forget what you think you know about these files. Go back to the server and download everything fresh for this page. On Windows or Linux, it's usually Ctrl+Shift+R, or Ctrl+F5. On Mac, it's CMD+Shift+R. Now, let's talk about the big guns, empty cache and hard reload. That's the ultimate fix. You need it because a regular hard reload might miss some files that JavaScript loads later. This method wipes the slate clean and forces your browser to download every single part of the website again. To open the developer tools, just right-click anywhere on the web page and select Inspect. Once the dev tools are open, right-click on the regular reload icon near the URL bar. You'll see all three options, and that's where you select empty cache and hard reload in Chrome. These little tricks can save you a ton of time and frustration, whether you're building websites or just trying to view them correctly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, tell us about your worst caching problem in the comments below.